how to change and assign keyboard shortcuts for your Codex application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you how you can set up the key bindings for your Codex desktop application. So to set up key bindings, first open your Codex application and then click onto the settings option at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then from here, again click onto the settings option, or alternatively press the Ctrl and the comma buttons. Now within the settings, click onto the keyboard shortcuts, and from here you can determine all of the shortcuts that are currently present. You can change any particularly existing shortcut by clicking onto this edit option, and from here you can simply press the keyboard combination using your keyboard to assign that particular combination. If you wish to cancel, you can click onto this cancel button. Alternatively, if you wish to delete any particular shortcut, you can simply click onto this delete button and you can see that the particular shortcut has been successfully deleted, and you can see the same that it is currently unassigned. Now apart from that, you will also see other options for various different operations that you can perform in Codex. Now for some reason, if you wish to reset all of the shortcuts to default, you can go to the very last and click onto this reset all to defaults, and then again click onto this reset all button so that all of the settings can be reverted to their original state. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.